your bright blue sky. Lonely night.
Sa pumili ng Choose the Fat, ito ang inyong reading. Para na-sense ko yung New Year reading, New Year greeting ng mga Chinese. I don't know why. I'm feeling so far so good. Tsaka childlike energy. Parang nag-enjoy lang kayo sa buhay. Kahit na minamalas. Parang tuloy lang. So that could be the vibe that you have. Now, let's see. Maraming cards. Clarify natin yung cards to gain more information. I feel na hindi ka dapat magmadali or padalos-dalos ang isip kasi may tendency rito na baka masira lang lalo yung iyong connection with somebody that you love or trust. So these are your cards. So far, I feel here na meron kang karelasyon. And you're definitely open to whomever this person is. Okay? Siguro, you live in the same house or could be ito yung pangarap mong marating na tumira na kayo sa isang bahay. We also have this one. So, ingat ka sa taon na nag-i-stop yung mangyari. At kung sino man yung tao na yan, connected siya sa inyo. Pwedeng kapamilya yan or pwede rin kabarkada. Na nag-i-stop ng ganyang pangyayari na maganda. So, we have the nurture and overload. So, I kinda feel na yung mangyayari dito is parang yung trabaho mo rin ay hadlang in order for you to achieve this. Ma-overwhelm ka sa work. And all you want to happen here is to nurture the one that you love or care for. At parang mag-aalala ka, kasi baka magka-third party na dahil busy ka masyado sa work at wala ka na medyo panahon sa love life. But yet, I'm feeling here, na with the hope, at saka sa dream, parang gusto sabihin ng Panginoon na may pag-asa pa na magkaroon ka sana ng time for your lover. Kasi may kinakatakot ka na mangyari. Kasi this is what you're afraid to happen. Na, baka hindi mo nalalaman, may third party situation na pala. Na-trauma ka na. Siguro nangyari na yan sa before na sa sobrang busy mo. Yung ex mo dati, pinagpalit ka sa iba, ngayon may relasyon kang bago, natatakot ka na baka maulit muli. So anyway, yung regalo sa'yo ng Panginoon is whatever you desire of will come true. Kasi with the confinement being here, I have a feeling na yung pagiging stagnant mo rin minsan, regalo yan sa'yo ng Panginoon. It's also kinda like a test for your relationship kung magtatagal. Kasi kung mahal ka talaga ng tao mo, no matter how busy you are at work, mag-i-stay yan sa inyo. So you can see, if that person really desire you. So, ibig sabihin lang nun na yung confinement mo with regards sa work, parang siyang test ng Panginoon for your lover. Honestly speaking. So, we have this relaxation at saka ito nga. So, ma-overwhelm ka nga sa work kasi gusto mo mag-chill, mag-relax. But yet, marami kang gagawin sa trabaho. Can be sa studies rin kung nag-aaral kayo, guys. Okay, parang yung day off mo lang, pahinga mo na lang at hindi ka na makapag-get together with your lover. But we have the luck and this one. So, I'm sensing na swerte ka with regards sa career kasi tuloy-tuloy lang yung work, pwedeng negosyo yan. Parang maraming naaakit na, let's say, sa negosyo, maraming naaakit sa yung produkto. Or pwede rin sa work. Maraming magkaroon ka ng promotion dahil parang sisikat ka or parang maganda yung tingin sa'yo ng mga tao sa paligid. So, may swerte ka with regards sa work. So, I feel na yung overwork na yan, parang din siyang regalo in disguise. Kasi parang ginagamit to ng Panginoon in order for you na umangat ka sa work. As you can see here. So, kalmado ka lang with regards sa last na mangyayari. O kung may nawala man. Isipin mo na lang na if ever something happen in your connection, na bilang nawala yung lover mo dahil busy ka or so forth, parang feeling ko kailangan mong tanggapin. Yun ang nafe-feel ko kahit na masakit. Kasi kung totoo talaga mahal ka ng tao mo, hindi ka iiwan. Kung mahal ka niyan, mag-i-stay siya. So remember na meron tayong free will, diba? Na tayo yung choose ng path natin o hindi. So, it really depends on your person if your person wants to actually mag-cheat. So, anyway, we have eternal love in this one. So, I am sensing here that there could be a potential rin na may magsuot na maskara dito na may nagko-control. Mag-ingat ka actually sa mga tao na para magbe-brainwash sa'yo na may nangyari sa inyong connection and so on. Kasi I'm feeling na may tendency rin na parang pumalpak yung lover mo, which is sad. Some of you, it might happen, fated, especially if your lover don't really love you, don't really love you that much. But if that person really loves you, hindi ka iiwan. Yun yung dapat mong isipin din. Kung nag-fail siya sa test, ibig sabihin, hindi talaga siya loyal sa inyo. And of course, you don't deserve that kind of person, right? So, we have this Judaphat here. So, I feel na magiging masaya with regards sa work kasi dire-diretso lang yung work mo. Yung malungkot lang talaga dito is, yun nga, na baka magkaroon ng third-party situation with regards sa love life kung nag-fail yung lover mo. With regards sa test ng Panginoon para sa kanya. Kasi I have a feeling na yung blessing dito is more likely yung trabaho mo. Okay, para magkakaroon ka ng glow up sa work. And in order for you to do that, kailangan mo yung ganitong ka-stressful na part with regards sa trabaho. So let's see what else do we have here. So we have this one, impact, in either way. We also have alone, in reverse. So, yun nga, meron nga kayong karelasyon. Pero hindi mo alam, with regards sa impact natin na in either way, hindi mo alam kung talaga bang yung love ng tao mo talagang genuine, talagang malakas yung love niya sa'yo or hindi. Kaya ang gagawin ng Panginoon dito, itetest niya yung iyong relasyon. Itetest niya yung inyong lover if he or she will stay with you kahit na busy ka sa work. So we have this my angel in either way. So kaya pala itetest ng Panginoon kasi yung lover mo ay alangan. So you also have this judgment in either way. So anyway, Kaya pala, yun nga, itatas ng Panginoon yung iyong lover kasi nasa alangan siya and you're not even aware if talaga mapagkakatiwalaan mo ba yung tao na to or hindi. Kasi hindi ka rin kampante. Okay, kasi kung talaga alam mong loyal yung iyong lover, maging kampante ka, you will trust this person. Pero kapag kasi may duda ka, ibig sabihin ng nun na may tendency siya na gumawa ng masama, di ba? So we have the treasure in either way. Kaya feeling mo parang ang babaw ng inyong connection. So we have this one in reverse. Parang feeling ko, ito yung pakiramdam mo na hindi ka na mabibigla kung sakali man nagkaroon ng third party situation. Kasi maybe kung sino man itong lover mo, may nagawa na siya na ganito noong past, na nag-cheat siya or nag-ghost ng relasyon. So, you have the peace. So, if ever nag-fail naman yung connection mo, guys, there will be peace. Na matatanggap mo na ito ay mangyari. Kasi with the treasure in either way, ibig sabihin lang nun na parang gagawin ng Panginoon, hindi ganun kahigpit yung grip mo with regards sa relasyon. Kasi based on your reading, may mas focus ka masyado sa work. So, let's see what else do we have here. Alam ko malungkot ang reading nyo, guys, but yet, yun nga. Nangyari naman yung mga test na yan for some reason, okay? Para rin yun sa iyong ikabubuti. Kasi syempre gusto ng Panginoon na yung tao mo sana loyal sa'yo or nasa tamang tao ka talaga. So we have the King of Cups. Tsaka this one. So, I really feel here na you are definitely a loving person, a caring one, and you definitely love genuinely, as you can see. And of course, you deserve a person like this too in your life. Hindi yung tao na parang maraming choices at may tendency na iwanan ka, which is sad, okay? So, ito siguro yung vibe ng inyong tao na there's a potential that he or she will leave you, which is sad. Kaya itetest ng Panginoon itong tao na to. So, ito yung mangyayari na you will definitely more busy on your business, on your career, rather than with your relationship. So, anyway, with this one, High Priestess, at saka ito, so there could be a potential din na mag-stay yung relasyon. As you can see. But yet, with the High Priestess, parang nalulungkot yung Panginoon. There could be something wrong with your person, to be honest. Okay, pero I feel na masaya ka naman sa connection. As you can see. So, another reason kung bakit marami kang work na gagawin, kasi I feel here na maybe your money is not that enough. Or pwede rin may pinag-iipunan ka, kaya regalo ng Panginoon most likely is with regards to your work. Okay, so with the Hierophant, I kind of like feel here, meron pala tayong High Priestess at Hierophant. So some of you, kaya pala na-feel ko malungkot yung Panginoon, kasi some of you are really not meant to be for with whomever this is, if ever he or she will fail, okay? Kung mag-fail siya, ibig sabihin, hindi siya talaga for you. So, yun yung dapat mo rin isipin. At itong tao na to, para siya magbagong buhay, he or she need to deal with somebody just like him or her. Kasi hindi pa siya 100% a loving person like you. So, you'll be definitely busy with work, with career. So, yun yung mag-stay sa iyo, guys. So, some of you, this is good if ever your lover will pass the test. Magiging mas masaya ka, as you can see. Pero kung mag-fail yung love life, to be honest with you, isipin nyo na lang na nangyari ito for a reason. Kasi maybe, isa sa rason is at kung sino man yung lover mo, dindrain niya yung inyong money. As you can see here, or may corruption na nangyayari. Kung ano man yan. Or pwede rin yung lover mo may nilihim sa'yo at hindi mo nalalaman. Yun nga. Which is sad. So, yeah, if ever your lover is not really resonating with you, talagang mangyayari yung test na yan. Kasi gustong i-make sure ng Panginoon that you're dealing with the right person. So, sana isipin mo na rin yung dahilan ng Diyos why this has to happen. But yet your birthday gift is more likely you having a lot of things to do at work. Para, makaipon ka ng money. Kasi based on your reading, you will be needing the money for savings. Okay? So anyway, that's it with regards to your reading. I hope that this may give you some insight and awareness, and God bless you.